Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad Guyanese-style, easy method. Start by boiling 3 pounds of potatoes until tender, then drain and let cool slightly. While cooling, chop sweet peppers, onions, and chives, and prepare hard-boiled eggs. Mix a dressing of mayonnaise, mustard, lime juice, and seasonings, then fold into potatoes gently until evenly coated and adjust salt and pepper to taste. Warm up your senses by building layers of flavor with bright lime juice and a dash of mustard for balance. Finely dice sweet peppers, onions, and fresh chives to add crunchy contrast to creamy potatoes. Stir in chopped hard-boiled eggs for richness and texture, then season carefully with salt, pepper, and a little sugar if desired. Taste as you go and tweak acidity to keep flavors lively and familiar. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers we showed. They keep salad fresh and prevent spills during transport. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them too, and it really makes picnic prep smoother. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Serve your Guyanese potato salad chilled or at room temperature to suit the occasion, and consider garnishing with extra chives for freshness. Transfer leftovers into an airtight container and refrigerate. They stay best for up to 3 days while retaining texture and flavor. When reheating gently for a warmer serving, let it come to room temperature first so the dressing loosens naturally. This keeps the salad creamy without losing its signature bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.